Hello, welcome to the second part of the tutorial. We are creating some kind of a spacey outpost, and what we are now creating is the outer shell. It's like an iron structure to protect the inside. First thing we need to do is to clean it up a little bit. We don't need the blue anymore, and we rename this one into floors. And this one for the bushes, and we grab a null and we call it inner structure, and then place the elements inside of it. Okay, what we need next is we need a sphere, and make it a little bit larger, and make sure you have enough segments, otherwise it won't be round enough. And we can't see the inside of it now, so we make a new material just for the construction. We need transparency and a little bit refraction, and place it on the sphere. Okay, well, that's not enough because it has to be a thick outer layer to protect it. This will be too thin. So we need another sphere. Make a copy and make it a little bit larger, like that. Check if you're happy enough with it. If you want it a little bit thicker, then you have to increase the size. Yeah. And then we need a bool again. Sorry. And place it inside the bool. Okay, well, we can't see anything because we first have to make it edible. Okay, like that. And we can save this one. We make another copy. Just hide that one. Connect the objects. We do not need this blue anymore. So this is our outer part. And just add the texture. And then we have to create holes in it, because otherwise we won't be able to see the structure. You can grab anyone you like, circles, spheres, cubes. I'll take one cube, make it a little bit larger. Okay, and place it on the edge of like a window where you want to see through. And then grab a bool, place the objects into the bool, and then you can see, you can look through the structure. And we don't want to be it transparent anymore, you want it to be like an iron or metal. And if you do not have those textures, you can find some free ones on the internet. Based on the sphere. And just take a quick look. Okay, well, if you're not happy with the way it looks right now, you can change the size of the cube, make it a little bit wider, a little bit smaller. Perhaps place a little bit more to the top. So if you're happy with this one, then join the two together. Sorry. And if you want to make more holes, then just follow the same procedure. Select the cube, make it a little bit larger. And place it where you like. Grab a bowl, place it inside the bowl, and then you got a hole again. And follow the same procedure as many times as you like. Make sure you make it edible again. Connect it. Call it outside again. And then maybe we want, yeah, why not? Grab a cylinder. Increase the radius. Like that. Grab a ball. Place it inside the ball. And then make sure you see it is not enough height, so increase the height so that you are sure that it goes through the structure. Same procedure, make it edible, connect the object and rename it. Some other things you can do to make the shape more interesting is to add some modifications to the structure. go into this mode, and just to make it more clear, just remove the texture for a moment. And then just select the group, any shape you like. Go to mesh, and then go to extrude, select preserve groups, and then just make it a little bit lower, and then you create some kind of panel. Just select a different group, just any shape you like, it's up to you, it's your structure, and do the same again. Maybe over here. Maybe a larger one over here. Okay, like that. And because you're creating some edges, it will also make some more reflections on the render. What else you can do is just select the inside of it, go to mesh, command, then subdivide, go to mesh, and then extrude, and just unclick this one, and then just go to the variation, and then like this, extrude inner, variation about 70%, unclick this one, just add a texture, and then make a render to see how it looks. And you can see all those nice edges and panel shapes appear. I'll pause the video just for a while and make some tweakings on my own. But it's all about personal taste. I'll show you what I did. First, I increased the number of polygons. You can do it by mesh. create and transform and commands and subdivide. And I added some gaps in it. I add some extra shapes, like this one, some kinds of airports, like tubes, place some antennas and some wire structures. And I also use this plugin, but it's not free, to add some greebles and or nurnies, like antennas. Some more extrudes like we did, and add some texture like some lights. Here are also some other textures. We have illumination. Just make a quick render. So I hope I will give you some ideas to finish your app structure, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Maybe see you next time. Bye.